Okay, so starting off for a short ride to Nandi Hills. The weather is very nice today. Somewhere around 17 degrees as of now. It's area. Some people have come up for morning walk. Amazing. I can't even think. Everything seems to have perfectly settled down. As you can see, the GoPro remote. It's a little bit dark, but you can see it now. Yeah, that red light blinking. So they are all synced now. All the three cameras. Okay. So from here we will take a right turn and take the overbridge. I'm not sure. So I got some extenders fitted. I think the view is still not good, just a little bit. I have always struggled to adjust the mirrors while riding. I'll put a little bit down so that I can see the camera also. Yes, that's too much. Yeah. This one's okay. Okay, so we'll pause the recording now and we'll come back after some time. Let's catch up on some speed.